So here's how to change Gmail password without phone verification. In order to change your Gmail password, let's start off with the Gmail application. Once you're here on the Gmail homepage, tap on your profile on the top right corner. After that, you will need to tap on Manage your Google account. Now, from the options available here, tap on Security. Now, if you scroll down, you will see an option that says Recovery Phone. Make sure that it is not added. Now tap on Password. You will then be taken to the password page. Once you're here, type in your new password in this field, and then you have to type in your password again to confirm. Once you're done making all the changes, tap on Change Password. This way, you can easily change your Gmail password without needing a phone verification. Just make sure that there isn't a recovery phone number connected to your account.